Content creation is a vital part of any marketing strategy, but it can also be one of the most costly. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or a blogger, it's important to find ways to create high-quality content without breaking the bank. Fortunately, there are many ways to create engaging and effective content on a budget. One of the best ways to keep costs down is to repurpose existing content. By recycling and repurposing old blog posts, videos, and other content, you can get more mileage out of the material you've already created. For example, you can take a blog post and turn it into a video or podcast episode, or take a video and turn it into an infographic. This not only helps to reduce costs, but it also ensures that your content is reaching new audiences and being shared in different ways. Another way to create content on a budget is by using free or low-cost tools. Many popular apps and software packages offer free or low-cost versions that can help you create great content without breaking the bank. For example, you can use Canva or PictoCart to create eye-catching graphics and infographics, or use Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your social media posts. In addition to repurposing content and using free tools, outsourcing can be a great way to create content on a budget. By working with freelance writers, designers, or marketers, you can tap into the expertise and skills of professionals without incurring the costs of hiring full-time employees. Plus, you only pay for the work that you need done, which can save a lot of money. Be sure to do your research on the freelancer and negotiate on costs before hiring. Another great way to keep costs down is to focus on creating evergreen content. This type of content doesn't rely on timeliness or current events, and is likely to remain relevant for a long time. As a result, you can continue to promote and share it long after it's been created, which means more bang for your buck. Audience research is also an important aspect of creating content on a budget. By understanding your target audience, you can create content that is tailored to their interests and needs, which makes it more likely to be shared and engaged with. You can use tools like Google Analytics, BuzzSumo, or SEMrush to track your audience's behavior, find out what kind of content they're interested in, and measure the success of your content marketing efforts. In conclusion, creating high-quality content doesn't have to be expensive. By repurposing existing content, using free tools, outsourcing, focusing on evergreen content, and doing audience research, you can create engaging and effective content without breaking the bank. With some creativity and planning, anyone can create great content on a budget.